The history of ginger's use dates back hundreds of years. It's well recognized as safe for human consumption and has multiple positive health impacts. Even while ginger has many positive effects on health, an overdose or excessive usage of the herb could have the opposite impact. Some people may have moderate heartburn, diarrhea, or stomach pain after consuming ginger due to its spicy flavor. The reality is, though, that such reactions are quite rare. As a result, people with the following health issues shouldn't eat ginger. If you have heavy menstrual bleeding, you should probably stay away from ginger. Women who use ginger may see a reduction in menstrual bleeding. The vasodilator properties of ginger can result in heavy menstrual bleeding if ingested in sufficient quantities. Women who are either expecting or already caring for young children are particularly vulnerable. Ginger should be avoided by expectant and nursing women. In some cases, uterine contractions may be induced by ginger, resulting in preterm birth. The potent stimulants in this root have been related to preterm labor and the disturbance of the fetus's sexual hormone development. Because of this, it can result in spontaneous abortions and other forms of fetal abnormality. Stay away from ginger during pregnancy, especially in the latter few weeks. Ginger has been debated for its safety for usage during breastfeeding, with some believing it can be beneficial while others worry about newborn digestive issues. Because of its unknown teratogenic potential, pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid consuming ginger. Your primary care physician is another option because he or she will be the most up-to-date on any developments that may affect you. In order to put on weight, ginger should be avoided at all costs. The ginger root may help those who are overweight. Ginger aids weight loss and satiety because it increases the body's metabolic rate. It is one of the most popular compounds in diet plans since it promotes weight loss without causing feelings of hunger or deprivation. The fight against obesity has advanced significantly. However, you should probably stay away from ginger if gaining weight is your main worry. The potential loss of weight is outweighed by the upside of ginger's ability to improve metabolic rate. Those who have hemophilia? Two of ginger's most well-known functions are as cardiovascular disease prevention and a blood flow regulator. This property has a proven history of financial success, thus it is now widely recommended. Participants should not include anyone who has been diagnosed with hemophilia. Ginger may exacerbate the bleeding problems experienced by people with hemophilia. You might want to pass on this root if you're currently mending from an injury or have a big wound on your body. As a result, it may be challenging to stop the bleeding following an injury. People with cardiac problems. Those who have heart problems should not consume ginger. It has been suggested that ginger's capacity to increase blood flow could be used as a weapon against cardiovascular disease. Although this root has many health benefits, it should be avoided in large doses by persons who have been diagnosed with clogged arteries or blood vessels. If you have a history of cardiac problems, you should avoid consuming large quantities of ginger. Persons presently medicated. There is concern that ginger's active ingredients could interfere with the body's ability to metabolize certain medications, leading to potentially harmful side effects. Diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and hormone imbalance can all have their roots in prolonged mental or physical stress. If you have any medical conditions, talk to your doctor before using ginger.